Are you planning to buy an air conditioner? Before you make your purchase, here are 10 essential things you should know to make the right choice for your home. First, consider your room size. Choosing the right tonnage is crucial. The wrong size could lead to poor cooling and higher electricity bills. Second, decide between inverter and non-inverter models. Inverter ACs are generally more energy efficient and maintain a stable temperature, though they may have a higher upfront cost. Third, check the energy efficiency rating. A higher rating means better energy savings, which helps lower your electricity bills over time. Fourth, prioritize a copper condenser. They are durable, offer better cooling performance, and are easier to repair, making them a great long-term choice. Fifth, always check the warranty terms. The compressor, parts, and service warranties are vital since the compressor is the heart of your air conditioner. Sixth, be aware of installation costs. Don't forget to factor in expenses for piping, brackets, gas charging, or any other potential hidden fees. Seventh, verify that there is an authorized service center near your area. Reliable after-sales service is essential for any long-term appliance purchase. Eighth, check the noise level. If you are installing the unit in a bedroom or study, look for low noise options to ensure a quiet, comfortable environment. Ninth, consider smart features like Wi-Fi control or sleep modes. These can be convenient, but evaluate whether you really need them based on your budget. Finally, 10th, estimate your monthly electricity bill. Choosing the right capacity and keeping your temperature setting between 24 and 26 degrees can help keep costs down. Keep these key points in mind to ensure you choose an air conditioner that provides comfort and value for years to come.